Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Students, it's your social science class, and our today's topic is Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. By the end of this chapter, you will know the location of Saudi Arabia, the climate, vegetation, industries, crops grown, and lifestyle of the people of Saudi Arabia, the significance of holy cities like Mecca and Medina. Students, deserts are of two types, hot deserts and cold deserts. The Arabian desert is a hot desert. Now students, look at the screen. I am trying to show you the location of Saudi Arabia. Focus on the screen. Here you can see the earth, and now I am showing you the location of Saudi Arabia. Yes, here it is. Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land jutting out into the sea. Jutting out means bahar ko nikla hua. It is surrounded by water on three sides. And students, it means Saudi Arabia is a country that is located in the Arabian desert. Do you know, students, the Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. It lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east. And the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Its neighboring countries are Kuwait, Israel, Iraq, and Jordan in north, Bahrain and United Arab Emirates, that is also known as UAE, Oman and Qatar in east, and Yemen in the southwest. Students, most of Saudi Arabia is a high rocky plateau covered by a vast desert, and the desert is covered with small hills of sand that are called sand dunes. Students, strong winds and dust storms keep blowing and shifting these sand dunes from one place to another. Students, there are no lakes or rivers in this land, but at some places in the desert, underground water comes to the surface, forming fertile areas called oases. If I ask you the question, what is oasis? Then you can say fertile area formed in the desert by underground water that comes to the surface. That is called oasis. Climate of the Saudi Arabia. As you all know, the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the Saudi Arabia. So the climate of Saudi Arabia is very hot and dry. And the country gets very little rainfall, and the humidity is very low, and the sun shines brightly and hot throughout the year. Students, during occasional heavy rain, wide gullies called wadis get filled up with water, and due to extreme heat, the water quickly evaporates. The days are very hot and nights are very cool, and the nights are cool because the sand in the desert cools down quickly at night, and during winter the nights are very cold, and in winter the days are warm but the nights are very cold. Vegetation and agriculture in Saudi Arabia. Very few plants can grow in a desert climate as the area is dry and barren, and cacti and some short shrubs which can withstand the hot and dry condition can be seen growing in the desert region of Saudi Arabia. And students, most desert plants have long roots. These long roots go deep into the earth in search of water. The date palm trees are the only trees which grows easily in this area. And students, some other crops like wheat and barley are grown in the oasis. Animal life of Saudi Arabia. Desert animal can live with very little water. Snakes, lizards, insects are quite common in desert, and most of these animals come out at night to find food. And students, do you know which animal is called the sheep of the desert? Yes, it is the camel. It is very useful as it can live without food and water for many days. Life of the people of the Saudi Arabia. Students, Saudi Arabia is very rich country and this is because of vast deposit of petroleum in the country. It is the biggest exporter of petroleum. The discovery of petroleum, that is also called liquid gold, has changed the lifestyle of the people. Before its discovery, most of the people were poor and now the standard of living is very high. The cities have all modern facilities. Schools and colleges have come up in Saudi Arabia now. Students, some people lead a traditional life in Saudi Arabia and these people are called nomads or Bedouins. They move from place to place in search of green pastures for their goat, sheep, and camel. And the main occupation is rearing cattle. Bedouins live in tents made up of animal skin and they sell animals and their products at marketplaces in villages and buy food grains, dates, and other things. And students, the tents that they use to live are made of camel or goat skin, and the life of Bedouins is now changing. Dress of Saudi Arabia. Here, students, you can see Saudi Arabia has modern cities, but the society is traditional. That's why when the women go out, they must cover their head and body with a black dress that is called abaya or abba, and they cover their faces with a veil. Most of the men and boys wear traditional loose fitting white robes that are called thobe, and their head are covered with a white cloth held in place by a ring. And to protect their head from sun, they use a head covering that is called gatra. Industry. Beside oil related industries like petroleum and petrochemicals, iron and steel, cement, and fertilizers are the main industries. These industries have been set in Saudi Arabia using the money earned by selling petroleum. Okay, means they use the money that they have earned by selling the petroleum to develop the other industries. Important cities of Saudi Arabia. First one is Riyadh. It is the capital of Saudi Arabia and the largest city also. It is a modern, well planned city and it has parks, markets, hospitals, and schools. Next, Jeddah. People from all over the world come here by air and sea to go to Mecca. And King Abdul Aziz International Airport in Jeddah is one of the largest airport in Saudi Arabia. Next places are Mecca and Medina. Now let me tell you about the religious importance. The religion Islam was founded in Saudi Arabia by Prophet Muhammad. And students, millions of Muslims from all over the world come to Mecca, and Mecca is the most important pilgrim center of Muslims. Medina is also another important religious center here. Government in Saudi Arabia. Students, Saudi Arabia is a monarchy. Now, do you know the meaning of monarchy? Yes, monarchy is a country that is governed by a king and queen. And in Saudi Arabia, the king is the head of the government. And you all know The Saudi Arabia is rich in natural resources like petroleum, and the government has used the natural petroleum wisely and made this hot and barren region a rich and prosperous land. India has good relations with Saudi Arabia. Apart from import and export of goods, thousands of Indian doctors, engineers, and teachers are working in Saudi Arabia. Most of the people from India went to Saudi Arabia for giving their services. Let's recap the chapter. Most of Saudi Arabia is a hot and dry desert. Only cacti and some shrubs grow in the desert. The land around oases is used for agriculture. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because of vast deposits of petroleum. Saudi Arabia has modern cities, but the society is traditional. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are also called Bedouins. Mecca and Medina, the two important Muslim religious centers in Saudi Arabia, are visited by millions of Muslims every year. These are the important points that you have to keep in your mind. Okay? Now it's time to do some exercises and question answers. First exercise, multiple choice question. Here I will give you one question and four options, and you have to choose the right option. First one is Saudi Arabia lies partly in the tropical zone and partly in the temperate zone. Its climate can best be discovered as A. Tropical, hot and wet. B. Temperate, neither very hot nor very cold. Hot and dry, cold and dry. And the answer is C. Hot and dry. Saudi Arabia lies partly in tropical zone and the partly in temperate zone. Its climate has best by described as hot and dry. Next, number 2. Saudi Arabia is a rich country because option A, it is a very fertile land. B, it has huge industries and exports several products. C, it has large deposits of petroleum which are exported. D, a large number of tourists visit the country every year. And the answer is it has large deposits of petroleum which are exported. Number 3. The official religion of Saudi Arabia is Hinduism, Islam, Christianity. It has no official religion. And the answer is Islam. Next, which of these is an important pilgrim center for Muslims? A. Riyadh. B. Mecca. C. Jeddah. And D. All of these. And the answer is Mecca. Next exercise. Give one word answer for the following. First one, the capital of Saudi Arabia. And I hope you all know the answer. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Number 2, hills of sand that keep shifting because of strong winds is called sand dunes. Next, number 3, nomads of Saudi Arabia are also called Bedouins. Next, the most important pilgrim center of Muslims, and the answer is Mecca and Medina. Number 5, the main natural resource of Saudi Arabia, and I hope you all know the answer. The main natural resource of Saudi Arabia is petroleum. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Describe the climate of Saudi Arabia. And I hope you all know the climate of Saudi Arabia. And the answer. The climate of Saudi Arabia is as follows. Number 1. It is hot and dry. 2. It gets very little rainfall. 3. The humidity is very low. Days are hot but nights are cold. Next question. What kinds of plants grown in deserts of Saudi Arabia? And the answer is Saudi Arabia has a very hot and dry climate. Therefore, cacti and some short shrubs grow there. And next question. What is a peninsula or oasis? Here you have to give the definition of both. And first one is peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land jutting out into the sea surrounded by water on three sides. An oasis, fertile area formed in the desert by underground water that comes from the surface, is called oasis. Next question. What is the importance of oasis for the people living in the desert regions of Saudi Arabia? And the answer is Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. It does not have any lake or river, but in some places underground water comes to the surface, forming fertile area which is known as oasis. In these areas, date palm and some crops such as wheat, barley are grown. Next question. Why is Saudi Arabia such a rich country? And the answer, Saudi Arabia has a vast deposit of petroleum. Therefore, it is a rich country. Next question. Who are Bedouins? And the answer, Bedouins are the nomadic people who move from one place to another in search of pastures for their flocks of goats, sheep, and camels. They live in a tent made of animal skin and sell animals and their products at market places in the villages. And next question. How do Bedouins traditionally earn their living? Bedouins earn their living by selling animals and their product in the market. Next question. Why is Saudi Arabia important for the Muslims of the world? And you have to write the importance of Saudi Arabia for Muslims. And the answer is Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state. Its official religion is Islam, which was founded by Prophet Muhammad. It has two main pilgrim centers for Muslims, Mecca and Medina, and due to which it is the most important for the Muslims of the world. That's all for our today's class. And students, it's an important chapter and you should revise this chapter at home. You should read the chapter and you should learn the question and answers and all the exercises. And I hope you all understood the chapter, and I'm trying to make video in the best way so that it will be easy to understand. And students, the map of Saudi Arabia is also important. You should know who are the neighboring countries and where it is situated, what is the capital of Saudi Arabia. All these things you should learn. Now it's time to close the class. Thank you so much for joining the class. Keep studying. Stay safe.